Airplane in there somewhere.
Oh, look, you lost it. You lost it.
Run your left, to your right, and bow roll. Trophy flag. Bow roll like a turnabout spiral in the sky. If the main breeze ahead of you, then they will be burning, and then we come around. Watch the smoke, you can see the traces around the barrel.
Lights. Look, there's a jelly belly.
Well, if another guy in one of these shirts comes by, then you might have to. But unless
we're gonna be here for like 20 minutes.
Okay. Like I said, I wouldn't worry about it. But when I was up there, I saw him coming and he was looking, and I'm like, I'm going down there just to stand. So I stood here. And then he kind of like he wanted to come, but he was just a pretend cop. So yeah. Thanks, man.
Sunny.
And then she was seeing all of the calls, the cigarette butts, beer
Stall speed, where it'll stop flying, is about 38 miles an hour, and it can do about 110. It was never designed to do aerobatics. Kent doesn't know that, obviously. Kent, as I said, is from Minot in South Dakota, North Dakota, wrong place. Sold when he was 16 years old, got his private and commercial licenses just a year later. He's won several awards, the Bill Barber Showmanship Award at Oshkosh and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award. He's also proud to be an honorary Canadian snowbird. The truck is a 1999 Chevy Silverado that's modified with an aluminum rack on top, which is 8 feet wide by 20 feet long. Because of the way the airplane is built, Kent has about 8 inches on each side to see the landing platform. So he kind of has to slip the airplane around side to side to see what's going on. If he can make it, the pickup will have to be doing exactly 60 miles an hour. It's rather important, as you know, to have good communications with his driver, so that he knows when to slow down. And of course, it's critical the driver doesn't stop too fast. If in fact he does get the airplane into the chocks on top and land it and get it locked down, and the stop rotary, we could dump out of there. Here he comes again for another try. And that one's not working out too well at all, is it, Kent? A little bit fast there, buddy. Yeah, well, okay, I'll go over here and you can turn the truck around.
Huh? He did land on top of it.
Yeah, oh yeah, he did. He's not totally landed yet. He's trying to walk it up into some notches. Trying to get it up.
Wow.
Terry, when he got the
That's my
Nice fly!
Set his tail wheel down and pull up. Yeah, he's got the right one. Yeah, he got it now. Does he have the nose wheels or front wheels coming down?
Laying on top of the car.
Take that on your vacation, you don't need a runway, just land it on your car, fold the wings up.
How do you get that thing back off the car?
Fast enough to get the wind speed.
Like that? Catapult. There, you can.
I told Tina that we didn't see a Broncos fan there, did we?
We can probably do that once. We never do it. Kid? Yeah, like about 14 times.
Whoa.
Yeah, he almost did a knife head spin.
Yeah.
We got to start looking way back here so we can